algebra. Algebra is a branch of mathematics, the branch of maths where letters are used to represent unknown numbers. Unknown simply means something you don't know. Right? Unknown. Unknown, something you don't know. So if we say unknown numbers, we mean numbers that you don't know. Are we together there? Then a number in algebra, a number, it is not called a number, but it is called the coefficient. Coefficient. So any number is called a coefficient under algebra. Then a letter is called a variable. Variable. So algebra is a branch of maths where letters are used to represent unknown numbers. So using the typical language, you say algebra is a branch of mathematics or maths where variables, right? Where variables are used to represent unknown coefficients. Variables are letters. Letters are variables. So where variables are used to represent unknown coefficients, right? When you hear the word coefficient, know that it is a number. Then a combination of letters and numbers. When you get a letter and a number, then you put them together, it makes what we call a term. You want that? When a number and a letter are combined together, they form what we call a term. Then, if it is just a number, it is called constant. Constant ni number chabeyeka. Pankara number na letter ni term. Again, if it is just a letter, it is called a term. Numbers and letters combined together, they form a term. Letters they are called terms. But numbers without letters, they are called constant. You want it? Now, to solve questions in algebra, we look at the types of terms. Since Pakambati, a number, a letter, and a number combined together, they form a term. Right? Therefore, these terms they must be in types, and the types are only two. The ones we call like terms and unlike terms. Like terms and unlike terms. You want that one? Tikonga. Now, what are like terms? Like terms are terms with the same types of variables. Like terms are terms with the same type of variables. Variables are letters, right? So now here's an example. This is just a letter X. So X, it is now a letter that is representing the unknown number. Do you know the number that is here? Don't know. Nangapa. Here we have 3. But this X, we don't know. So it is there to represent a number that we don't know. Now, which you know, right? This is one thing. So here, you have the first term, second term, and the third term. So here there are 3 terms. So just a letter. This one is a number and a letter. The combination of the letters and numbers. So on this one, we have x hapa, na hapa put x, na hapa x. So this has only one type of a letter. So it is called like terms. Here we have 3 W Y, 10 W Y. Either upper or here we have the same types of letters. So these are called like terms. They are like. Here, unlike terms are terms with different variables. Terms with letters that are not the same. Example, here we have x, y, w. Everything is different, right? Here we have 5w, b, y, x, w, y, there, x. They are all different, right? So in this case, to say these are unlike. Now listen, ngati ma letters are same yonse. Ngati are same ma letters, tingaya stay add or subtract. But ngati yasiyana manga aya so kulibe chaunga chiti yamene yoshindia answer yako. So where letters are same, we can add or subtract. Where letters are different, we cannot do anything, just end there. So we shall see as we move. Example that we have here is about coefficients. So there, I want to understand how this will be working, how those can help us. So I'm wrapping that. Now listen. We have a number and a letter. Number and a letter, these are together. So they form what we call a term. Right? This is just a number. Now if it's a number, this just a letter. Here we have a letter in front. There is a number that is 2. Right? But here we have a letter in front. There is nothing. Right? If there's nothing, what you do? Put 1. As long as there's nothing in front, just put 1. Then if you have a number is always a number. A number is always a number. A letter can represent any number, but if there's nothing in front, just put 1. Even if I say 1, just put 1. If I say 1, don't put anything, right? At least you're going to put that right. So, our example here tells us that write down the coefficient of a letter in the brackets. They are asking you to write a number. So, apart from x, then we have a number. Now they ask you, lembapo number equal x. What is the answer there? 2. It's wrong, right? Always put what? Then get positive, then it ends. Just there, right? When they say write down the coefficient of x, then if I give a number, get the number, then in front put a sign. If just write like this, me I won't mark you. But you put a sign. You want the point? Again, if they give you this one, negative 5 y, then they say write down the number that is on y. Just check the number is negative 5. Write negative 5. It ends there. So what I was just doing here is what they're asking us to do. Why? Then The first one, they are saying write down the coefficient of a letter. Lemba number ili kuli letter. Letter ili kuti na bracket side. So we have 4x plus 3y. 4x plus 3y minus 6. In brackets, what do we have? Y. So now they are asking us to write a number that is next to what? To y. So look at these three parts. Here we have x. There we have y. What we want is a number that is next to. Just write here. The answer is positive 3, right? Not just 3. Write positive 3. Therefore, coefficient of y is equals to positive chakwa. Oh, number 2. Negative 8 plus 5g minus w. Lemba number ili kuli w. Write down the coefficient of w. Look at here. There is no w, right? Here we have a t. W is here. Now w has got no number in front. What do we do? John? Just put 1 there, right? No number, just put 1. Then from there you say the coefficient of w is equals to, you get the sign and the number. So there you have negative fire. So last one, we have negative xy plus 3xb plus 1. Then we are writing the answer or a number that is next to negative xy, right? And the xy is where? You see here. We have x there, we have x there. We have y there, but there we have b. Therefore, these are different, right? So you go for the part that you are looking for. And in this case, we have just a negative, no number. So indicate 1 place, right? Then from there, you will say the coefficient of xy is equals to negative 1. And right? You can see it. But next time,